Hi, I'm Riya Pradhan. I've been in this field for almost 8 years. So I'm currently hosting Fashion Buzz, which is for Radio Nagarik, and it's on the same channel. Hope you watch it.
Hi, I'm Uzu. I'm a fashion designer and I'm a stylist.
Hi, my name is Rajshri Rana, but I'm also known as Swanky Rana. I used to run a blog called Swanky Rana, and right now I'm working as personal stylist for Priyanka Karki and also official stylist of Miss Nepal 2018 and 19.
Hello everyone, this is Yogita Pun, founder of KDA, and I'm also a freelancer fashion stylist.
I'm Sadhana Ranabat and I'm a freelancer fashion designer and a fashion stylist.
I am nervous. के भन्थे रे मैले म त्यहाँदेखि फेरि भनौँ
Like when I'm answering, do I look in the camera?
Sorry. फेरि भन्छु ल यो वर्कको चाहिँ
Slouch भने भने मलाई
Blind date ma ta gएको छैन. No, I'm married.
I don't think so. I used to, but now I feel like whatever they wear, like it's their personal style, so I don't judge a lot nowadays.
Not really. I mean, I try not to at least. I feel like fashion is very subjective. Yeah, so I don't. Like, I have my opinions on it, but I try not to be judgmental.
I might not be properly dressed for others as well, but as per being a stylist, I always see like, okay, that jewelry is not right for that outfit, that shoes is so wrong, okay, that bag is probably not going the entire outfit, or okay, she should have done something else with her hair or maybe makeup, although it's not my genre, but still, as a whole, as a stylist, I have to look from head to toe, so at times I do a lot inside my head though.
I don't judge, but it depends on events. So, daily life, I don't judge. सबैको लाइफस्टाइल डिफरेन्ट हुन्छ हैन अब त्यही अनुसार मान्छेले अब आफ्नो अवेलेबिलिटी अनुसार आफ्नो क्यापेसिटी अनुसार ड्रेस गरिराको हुन्छ.
यस मैले त शो पनि गरेको थिएँ. आई डोन्ट नो यस्तो हुन्छ कि अब लाइक जिम जाँदाखेरि पनि मैले जिम वेयरमा पनि मान्छेहरूलाई जज गरेर हुन्छ कि माथिदेखि तलसम्म हेरेर किन होला. I don't know, it automatically comes into my mind. Okay? I think it's the first thing. I'm so sorry, everyone.
Not every day, because I'm still a college student. I dress up like a hobo sometimes. When it's like occasions or like events where I have to show up and when they're going to take my pictures, then I'm more conscious and I put more effort.
Yeah. I mean, even though I'm into fashion and I style, I like to be comfortable and I'm lazy most of the time. So yeah, I do feel pressured sometimes, but I try not to be hard on myself. Like when I don't want to dress up, I won't.
No, I don't. Because for me, my style is comfort, and as long as I'm comfortable enough wherever I'm heading to, it's okay. Except if I have to go for meetings and like meeting up new people, and then only. Otherwise, I'm more like being myself.
I think I should set examples जस्तो लाग्छ के. So whenever अब यहाँ शोमा आउने बेलामा पनि if I'm going to any event, I try my best to do. तर मलाई प्रेसर चाहिँ कहिले पनि फिल हुँदैन.
ल कहिले गर्दिन किनभने पहिला चाहिँ म कन्सियस हुन्थेँ हैन, तर जति पछि काम गर्दै गयो मान्छेहरू भेट्दै गएपछि चाहिँ I learn to be myself.
Yeah, I mean, fashion doesn't come first when I'm looking for someone. When I'm looking for a relationship, that's the least that matters. So I wouldn't say it would matter a lot. And also like sometimes like guys who do not put effort is quite attractive.
Maybe, but I could like help him out. I mean, if he has a good personality, if his like everything else is good, then why not?
It's not always about fashion actually. You got to know how the individual is also. So fashion, you can help them evolve and change. It's more like styling them over. I think so. I'll date him. I can be more fashionable instead of him.
I me. Because म कहिले पनि त्यो मान्छेहरु when choosing a partner I don't fall for त्यो outlooks के I go for heart. So yes. Ding. So yeah.
I think I'd go for free clothes because I barely do any makeup on my regular days. So yeah, maybe free clothes.
Eh, easy, free clothes forever. I'm not into makeup. So.
Of course, clothes. I'm not a makeup person.
I think free makeup. I think clothes I can play around with anything. That's my go-to. So makeup say
free clothing, of course. Makeup नगरे पनि चल्छ तर लाइक अब कपडा भएन भने त बाँच्न गाह्रो हुन्छ
Best. Does Varsha Thapa count? Like she's based in New York, but she's a Nepali model. So I'd say her. Worst? I don't know worst. I can't think of anyone. Oh, my thoughts are Rishi Damala. I don't know. I mean, I saw a suit which was nice, but then it didn't look good on him. Sorry.
Best. Malvika Di, Priyanka, Shrishti, Ayushman, Nishal Basnes is also good. Swastima is turning out better. That she is also good. It's not that she was worst one. I would not say worst. Recently at Karishma Manandar, she is like, she is evolving. She used to wear outfits differently, comparatively towards her era of actresses. So I think she can still ace it.
Okay. Silpa Maske. Not being biased, right? She knows how to carry herself. Just because I know her, she knows how to carry her off. Worst, it would be unfair to name one. So, मलाई तर एकदमै त्यो नै हुने Rima Biswakarma. Sorry Rima. किनभने उले चाहिँ एकदमै बेसी नै गरेर हुन्छ के
बेस्ट वा चाहिँ मलाई राजेश हमाल एकदमै राम्रो लाग्छ उहाँको पर्सनालिटी अनि त्यो जुन उहाँको त्यो एउटा रिसेन्टली एउटा शो आएको थियो नि को भन्छ करोडपति त्यसमा लाइक उहाँको त्यो राम्रो ड्रेसअपहरू राम्रो लाग्थ्यो हैन आई थिंक त्रिशला बुढा थोकीको ड्रेसअप चाहिँ अति वर्स्ट हुन्छ
For me, best dressed is Richa Sharma. She looks really put together when she's on, on a red carpet or events. But I'm not going to answer the worst dressed because that's risky. So next question, please.
When this is coming out, I'm so doomed.
Okay, next question.
Prasad, that was not funny question. You said it's gonna be funny.
Fun question.
Thank you.